Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will search about the application of Flow and you will enter here in this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again.